Hello, good evening to everyone. So I'm here in front of Krista Farms, okay? So here in Salapungan, Block 1, also in Tarlac City. So we're invited by the owner of this newly opened restaurant. It's called Hungry Highway, okay? So we're going to taste a few of her dishes. They're preparing it now. This will be the first part of a two-part video, okay? Since the owner is not here, I'll be back for another day, okay? Para ma-interview siya regarding the process, how they cook, bakit naman talaga nag-start ito, ano idea niya dito sa restaurant na ito. Okay? But today, okay, we'll just be tasting a few selected dishes in their menu. Okay? So just enjoy. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see, there are a lot of dishes that you can order from the menu. There's chicken inasal, there's fried chicken a la Max, kare-kare, patatim, pochero, and so on. But we asked for their best sellers, so they gave us these three dishes, which they said were the best sellers. So first is yung kare-kare nila. Okay? So kare-kare, I think it's only half an order. It's worth, one order is worth 109 pesos. So kalahati lang ito, so it's around 50 plus. Okay? Then crispy ulo, okay, half. I think it's worth 390 pesos. Yeah, half ulo. Okay? And finally, patatim. Okay. This is patatim. Okay? I don't think I can finish this all. That's why I brought a friend of mine, Randy Reyes from Randy Reyes Vlog. You can see this video also in his vlog. I'll put the description, okay? And the link to his channel, okay? So, maraming pwedeng orderin, okay? But they give us these three, sabi nila ito yung best seller nila. So, isa natin, medyo marami-rami. And I'll give you a rundown or review on how they taste. Okay, so let's start. Okay, sorry for the noise kasi nasa tabi lang kami ng daan eh. Kaya tabi lang ang hype. Okay, so I'll start with yung sa kare-kare. Okay, so kare-kare of course meron siyang kasamang mabuo. Natin to. Malinamnam. Okay? Lasang-lasang mo yung peanut butter. As you can see, madaling slice, okay, yung beef na kare-kare. Okay, I'm just using a spoon. Okay, hindi ko ginagamit yung knife. It's hard to vlog. It's hard to use a spoon while you're recording. Kaya natin ng konting bagong. Pating gulay. Okay, kahit wala mo ng bago, tuman natin. Fresh yung mga gulay nila. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll try this patatim. Okay. Start ko dito sa balat. Got it. So you can see, okay? So, ginagamit ko lang yung spoon, okay? Pero napaka-tender, okay? Kahit yung balat, okay? Tignan natin, lasa. Okay, now let's try crispy ulo. At meron din siyang sausawan. Mamaya, hindi ko alam po yung laman nito. I think it's chili, garlic, soy sauce, okay? Crispy ulo. One, two, three. Let's get a bigger piece. Okay. Wow. It's like the one I tasted in San Miguel. Okay. at Bulaluhan restaurant before. Okay? Sarap, crunchy yung balat niya. Now, tingnan natin yung laman. So, here it is. Actually, kanina 1/2 siya, pero pinachop ko pa rin kanina. Kasi medyo malaki para sa plate. Okay? So, it's worth 319. Tingnan mo naman yung loob niya. Okay? Okay, so, kita nyo? Okay? Malambot siya. Okay? Well, it's quite hard handling. Just using one hand. Okay? So, ito yung laman niya. Tingnan natin. Texture. Sa kare-kare. Now I understand why it is their best seller. Sarap niya, sarap ng makaluto. Magaling yung nila rito. Okay. Well, now yung pata din is, I'm not really fond of this, no? Kasi madalang ko sa order it. But the flavor nito masarap siya. I think it's the best I've tasted. Although I'm not really that fun with the dish. Pero kumakain din ako. Pero this one is the best tasting na pata. Okay. So, okay. Well, yung iba kasi sa balat pa nakasuya na okay, pagkaluto. Pero in this case, ito hindi. Diba? Okay siya. Okay. Okay, but like I said, there are other dishes in the menu. So there's beef caldereta, beef pares, and meron ding sisig. Meron ding binagongan. Na may prostate right? Binagongan. Okay, and beef steak. Okay? But ito kasi daw yung best sellers nila. Ito yung pinatikim sa amin. Kaya ito yung pinatikim ko eh. I mean, full half na ulo. Laki. Okay? So, I will be posting yung mga menu or yung mga dishes na sa Pilipinas. Okay, so as of now, tuloy mo na yung pagkain ko dito. Okay? But I don't think I can finish it. So, kahit dalawa pa kami dito ni Randy. Okay, so I'll show you. So, I'm with Mr. Andres. Okay, I'll show you his link. Okay, below. So you could also watch this in his vlog. Okay? Pero, now, kain mo na. And I'll back. Okay, so that's it for the first part of this vlog. So we'll be back next time to meet the owner and to ask him regarding the process and how we started and so on. So, but thank you very much for accommodating us. So like I said, this is Hungry Highway Restaurant, just here near the gate of Crisca Farm, sa Lapuan Block 1, Tarlac City. Okay, so wait for the other vlog. If you like this video, kindly comment below, give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in the following vlog.